Hi everyone, it's Shannon here from houseimprovements.com, and this is day 13, lucky number 13. It's even a Friday today. Oh boy, hopefully today goes all right. So it's day 13 of our bathroom vlog, and things are starting to finally change a little bit. We have got the tile all in, and the subject of today's tasks is to grout the shower tile. So I'm going to go ahead this morning and grout the majority of it, and then we're actually going to shoot a video about grouting wall tile, but I'll just do it on a small little part because it'll be an awfully boring video watching me grout this entire thing over a couple 3 hours. So I've just got to go around and kind of do some work on the grout lines, getting out any mortar. Let's see if I can see a spot. I don't see any spots right now that look real bad right off the top of my head, but just gonna have to go around anywhere where there's mortar like that that's kind of sticking out or close to the surface of the tile. I've got to just get that out of there with a grout, with a little tool for cleaning the grout lines. And anyways, so that's my project for today. Yesterday you seen that I got the vanity done. Whoa, that light's bright. Let me turn this off. Got the vanity built. So this morning I got a hand just to carry in this tower, and it's just sitting there. I haven't really secured it or anything or plumbed it up. So if I get done all the grouting, I'm going to install the cabinets as well today. So a little mishap last night. Had my son put in the GFCI plug-in and the timer switch, which operates the light in the shower and the fan, and for some reason the GFI was tripping right away as soon as you turned the timer on. So process of elimination, we tried to just figure out which fixture was actually causing the problem, and it seems that the light there, for whatever reason, when it's all hooked up to the power, it's tripping the GFCI. So there must be something in the driver of that LED light that the GFCI doesn't like. I even went this morning and raced down and got a new one just to try it. Same thing. So same brand of light. So when we unhook all that stuff, it doesn't do that, or if we put a pigtail in there, it doesn't do that. So it must be the light. So I've got to figure that out, see what I can do. So I brought in one of our filming lights here just for some extra light today. Okay, so I've got my water already ready, and my grout's sitting there. Another bucket here of fresh water, and a couple buckets out here to dump the old water in. So I'm pretty much ready to go. So let's check in a little later and see how I made out. Hey everyone, this is the end of day 13, and it was a really great day. We finally had a very productive day, at least it felt like it. So today we shot 3 videos, which was really awesome. We did the grouting like I had talked about earlier, and we did the uncoupling membrane on the floor. I think I mentioned those both this morning. But we also finished up another video that we had started that explained how to install the plumbing in the wall here for this bath shower setup. So we were able to get that one done as well. And on top of all that, I actually got the cabinets roughly sitting in place. They aren't completely finished, obviously, but yeah, it was a good day for a change. I feel good about everything that was accomplished. I still have an issue with this light and this GFI up here. For whatever reason, the GFI keeps tripping every time we turn the light on, and we've tried everything, and I'm not just sure what exactly is going on. So I think we've narrowed it down to possibly being the GFI being faulty. So I think my son, when he gets home, he's going to switch that out tonight, and we'll see if that fixes the problem. Because the only time it doesn't trip is No, actually it trips all the time. Yeah, it doesn't matter. We can't get it to stay on. So no matter what we've done, we've tried different bulbs, different fixtures, no fixture, everything. So I guess actually the only time it does stay on is if there's no bulb in the socket or no light hooked on there. So anyways, that's the end of day 13 and things are really starting to look like a bathroom again. So getting excited.